Richard from Brookside Village, Pearland, has a question about R22.
Yeah, his condensing coil is gone, but it's covered by warranty, so he's a little bit of a pickle on this. Richard writes, the warranty will cover the replacement of the condensing coil at no cost to me, but I have the option to pay $2,800 to get a new R410 unit put in and the whole thing cleaned out with R410. Right? The new condensing unit would hopefully buy me another 7 to 10 years from my current system, but replacing with the R410 will likely give me 15 years. So Richard asks, WWTD, what would Tom do?
It's pretty simple. $0 or $2,800.
Yeah, this is not a
for 10 years, and quite frankly, the new condensing coil will not fail. Something else on your unit might. I'm not sure how old his unit is, but mine's 22 and still cranking. So if you can get it for free, well, it's not really free. You're paying every month. If you can get something out of that money you're getting from the warranty, forget the R410a. Tell them to put it back together, and you won't be writing a check.
Move on down the road.
Heck yeah.
With money in your pocket.
$2,800. It's apples and oranges.
Go down and buy yourself a big screen.
An R410 is not doing any good because now you got $2,800 invested.
Well, it's like I was about to say, you can go down and buy yourself a big screen TV with that.
Two. Well, it depends how big it is.
Depends how big.
I got $320. I got a 52-inch out of Walmart.
That's amazing.
Okay, delivered to the door.
You got we will deliver answers to your mailbox, your email box, actually, right here on the website. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form. The button's right there on the homepage. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.